I've been playing with something cool today. This is a diffraction grating for a 3D printer. Check that out. So that is a bed that goes on a 3D printer, and when you 3D print on it, it does this. Oh, you can see it there. Look at that. There's the diffraction grating. So it's actually really interesting because this is a very fine pattern carved into that surface that causes that. And when you 3D print on it, that pattern is transferred to this surface. So you get the patterns in your 3D print. So I thought it might be cool to look at it under a microscope. This just holds the cell phone so I can get a good view. So let's check this out. There it is. Let's see if we can focus that a little bit more. Can't really tell what's going on, but we can see it. Let's zoom in. Now this is the surface, and I'm trying to zoom in on this piece of this stretched out little hair of filament here. Can't really tell what's going on. You can just tell that it's there. And this is about as far as I can zoom in. You're seeing my heartbeat there. Try to focus here for you. As clear as it's going to get. So now let's look at the actual 3D printed part. The 3D printed part, you can see that same pattern on it. We're going to zoom in here. Let me recenter this. Let's zoom in and refocus. Zoom in and refocus. I'm trying to focus on this little piece of dirt here. You can see it there in the surface of the 3D print. So there you go. What did we learn? Nothing, really. Other than there's patterns here that get transferred to the 3D print. It's pretty cool though. There's a link to buy this in the description below. And there are like a bunch of different patterns. I don't earn anything from it. I just thought it was neat.